Think for a moment and ask yourself, are you really satisfied with your current level of success? Your life, your business, your team, your company? Are those things living up to their full potential? What's your role in improving each one of those? What are you willing to leave behind to become the best version of you? What steps can you take to be unapologetically who you were created to be? I talk to business leaders and I talk to business people all the time, and what I find out is they get stuck. And they can't see it because they're in the inside. They need to see it from an outside perspective. What don't you know that you kind of do know, right? What are things that we kind of know that we're supposed to do, that we're really not doing? Outside perspective usually comes from someone else that's willing to have radical candor conversations. There are people that want people that are forward thinking. They actually want people that'll tell them the truth. I want to engage organizations in meaningful dialogue, not just speaking with the employees, not just speaking with the leaders, it's hearing the whole story. Some things you have to unlearn, and the reason you have to unlearn them is because you got so used to it, they were comfortable. That doesn't mean it was right, it meant it was comfortable.
It's the application of knowledge, not just the capture of knowledge.
The problem you're fixing for clients and resolving isn't always technical. It's not always software, hardware related. Sometimes it's process related. Sometimes it's people related.
What is the simplified story between where your organization is and where it can be?
I want to guide them and help them create a plan. I want to help them execute the plan. I want to show them that there's more than just one way to do something. I love what I do. It's so exciting to watch a team when their eyes light up, when they finally get heard. If you control what you do and who you actually can build a relationship with, then you understand that your future is going to be co-created. The first person you have to convince in all this is who? Yourself. If you don't convince yourself that this is worth undertaking, if you don't convince yourself that business is worth growing, if you don't convince yourself that this is the next step on your journey, you're stuck. If you really mean to go and be able to make an impact on the people that you care about, the things that you care about, it is about convincing yourself that there's a next step. Whether I speak at live events or coach, then consult with your team one-on-one, your organization can and will achieve the next level of success.